Hello everyone! Do you struggle to communicate your needs in a bedroom? When you make love, is there anything you would like to change? Anything you would like your boyfriend to do differently? If you want to try something new, but maybe you don't dare to talk about it, or maybe you had already this sex talk with your boyfriend and it did not end good. Your lover ended up shutting down and you argued. If you are in one of these situations, then this video is for you. My name is Celie Odile, and I am here to help people to get the empowering and fulfilling sex life they deserve, living from their hearts. So let's discover today how to navigate these tricky conversations with your boyfriend and to transform your intimate moment into something truly special. It's not easy to have the sex talk with a man. Of course, if you only want to make him compliments, you can do it anytime. Men love compliments on their sexual behavior, on their sexual skills. But if you want to talk about something that you want to change in your sexual life, then most of the time a man is going to take it personally. He's going to think that he has done something wrong, or you would not talk about it. Men are very sensitive to sex talks because it touches their virality, and also because one of the most important things for them is to satisfy you. They want you to feel satisfied in bed with them. So let's find out how to communicate your needs in bed and to make him feel happy to fulfill them for you. First important thing to have a sex talk with your boyfriend is to choose the right moment. If you want to have a sex talk, it's better to have the full attention of your partner. Yeah. So if you cut him in the middle of something, if he's tired, if he's stressed, or or in a bad mood, if he had a bad day, then it's better to not initiate the talk. Don't do anything in that case. Yeah. It's better to be patient and wait for the right moment. Because if you do it at that moment, he's gonna shut down for sure. Instead of that, it's better to wait for an opportunity. Uh, it can be a conversation or a joke where you can easily move on to the subject. It can be a movie where there is a love scene, or, where they talk about sex. Yeah. So it's better to choose the right moment. It's very important to have a sex talk, to choose the right moment for it. I remember it was more than 20 years ago. I had a boyfriend that was a little bit too hard touching my clitoris. And I was very stressed to have this conversation, this talk with him. He came one night at my place, and I didn't even give him the time to relax. I said to him, "Come, because we have to talk." And we sat down, and I told him, "I don't like the way you touch my clitoris." And he looked at me with very dark eyes. He did not say anything, and he left. And after that, he didn't touch my clitoris for like 2 months until we have a new conversation, a new talk to solve the problem at the right moment. So it is totally essential to find the right timing to initiate a sex talk. Another very important thing when you want to have a sex talk is to find the right words. Don't make it like the big conversation. Don't do like me and don't tell him, "Come, because we have to talk." Don't make it too seriously. Yeah. Because then it's going to be a turn off for him, a straight turn off, and he's going to shut down in seconds. Yeah, believe me. Instead of that, after choosing the right moment, use kind words to express what you want and not what you don't want. Yeah. Let me give you an example about that. If I tell you, "I don't like the way that you touch my tits," or if I tell you, "I would love that you touch my tits in this way, in a certain way, because it really turns me on." Can you feel the difference? Yeah, because this is a huge difference. So please Forget about what you don't want and use nice words to express what you want. Let me give you another example. A good time to have a sex talk can be right after making love, when it went well, and then you can say, it was really amazing, it fills my imagination, and I would like that we try this new thing next time together. It could really turn me on. I really enjoy making love with you. See? After that talk, he's gonna be so happy to fulfill your wish and to discover a new way to turn you on. Another essential key, if you want to have a positive sex talk with your boyfriend, is to find the right tone. Words needs to be said in a nice tone. Kind words with a hard tone do not have the expected effect. Yeah? The tone of your voice can erase the meaning of the words you use. Let me give you an example. If I say, I would love that you touch my tits that way because it really turns me on. Or if I say the same sentence with a hard tone, I would love you touch my tits that way because it really turns me on. See how it seems like a reproach suddenly, and you don't feel like doing what I ask. Yeah? So please pay attention to your tone when you talk about sex and use a warming and encouraging tone, whatever you say. And after the talk, give him time. Give him time to pass to action. It's maybe not exactly the next time that he's gonna do everything that you ask for, everything that you wish. Yeah, he can be shy to do the things that you want. So please be patient with him. And one very important thing, don't forget to compliment him when he does the things that you wanted. Don't forget to say thank you. Don't forget to say it was amazing, I loved it. It's a very important step for your future sex talks. If you compliment him, he's gonna be more open next time to have an honest conversation about sex with you. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment. Your feedback is very important to me. Push the subscribe button, it helps a lot. Hope to see you next video and have an amazing day. Bye.